Deceive me, I'll be standing beneath me. Son, my papa, my brother, they try to put me down. Gotta be strong in everything that with me. Only your love can set us free. It's the only thing we've got. We ain't got no other than to live in love. Only one love to share with you. So let's not waste our time. We ain't got no other than to live. Well, guys, thank you to this episode. This is another video under my community-based organization, the CBO. Still not properly funded, but I'm pushing on to make sure I send vital information to the people. The CBO is called Agriculture Aid Cornerstone, which deals in promotion of modern agriculture, conserving environment, and protecting the extinct culture of Acoli and the Luo. So now today I'm going to talk about this thing, which is locally known in Acoli land as Acuga. It's a wild fruit, it's a traditional fruit of Egyptian origin. This is one of the fruit, a ready one. Let me first some of you people who have tested are missing it right now, I believe. So nice, no doubt. No faking here. Let the camera person bring us closer to you. So, this is the plant. The English name is called Egyptian Carrisa, and the botanical name is called Carrista spinarum L. Don't forget the word L. If you just say Carrisa spinarum L, then you have changed it to the one with the English name called conker berry. But this is Egyptian berry, Egyptian Carrisa. Locally known in Acoli as Acuga. Meanwhile, you can also let us know in the comment how you call it in your own language. Then, it comes from a family called Apocynaceae. So now, this plant, how useful is it? This one can be used for, it can be used for eating the fruit, and just like I've done, this is a raw fruit. As you can see this, it's a raw fruit. This raw fruit is also edible. It is high in vitamin C and citric acid, which is very vital for our health. So this sap here, the white sap you're looking at, should be removed. Don't mind about mine, just you just support another team. No, it's okay. This is just for fun. We be choosing side for relaxing. So this fruit here, the raw one can also be eaten, but it is very sour. So like this, yeah, it is very sour. But this raw one we're looking at here can also be used for making other things like porridge, like juice. In the absence of chua, I will talk about chua later, tamarins, or botanical known as Tamarinda indicas, In the absence of flour, you can use this. So you crush it. After crushing, then you squeeze the juice out of it, and you pour in your porridge, and you enjoy that sour, sweet taste of the what? Of your porridge. So now, let me harvest it. This is how it is harvested using hand picking. There are other varieties that I will show you if I interface with it later in other videos, which are bigger than this. Look, they look the similar like the bullet for my catapult. As you can see, but this is the real one. So if I want to eat, don't salivate. So this thing is dope, guys. It's so nice. This is the kind of life, the noble life that God created people in, that many people no longer cherish. People went ahead to destroy the environment, cut down trees. Even these kind of trees are being cut down rapidly. So maintenance. How do we maintain this kind of plant? There is no scientific approach ever discovered for maintaining this, but I've done my own experiments and I've proven that it can survive in the wild without any problem. It does not need you to water because it is resistant to drought. But one other thing is, what I've known is, it should not be constantly exposed to fire. And don't destroy the ant hills near it. In most cases, it likes growing near the ant hills, and the sweet ones are always on top of ant hill. Now this one is destroyed with these mosquitoes. Insects like also sucking them because they're sweet. So this one you bite the other part. So when I throw like this, or when it defecates somewhere, is when it germinates. So this is the Acuga. Now, the next other use of this the next other use of this vital plant, which even our people in Luo actually don't know. Number one, in the medical department, is a complete medicine for measles. It can treat measles and it gets cured. So people don't know about that. If you like that discovery, click like down there and share it to your friends also. Now another thing is, it also helps in treating lumpy skin disease. You see, lumpy skin disease, eye labs in USA and UK have failed to treat lumpy skin disease because it's a virus. They say you only have to prevent it. But here in Africa, this is the treatment. It cures that virus. Lumpy skin disease. Look at this. This is something which is not taught in school. I did Bachelor of Science in Agriculture and I was not taught. And even those who did Bachelor of diploma in veterinary medicine, they were not taught about this crop, and people are killing it. So which part? It is the root. It's the root. When you extract the root and pound it, put it in water, make it in water, then it can the child drinks and treats measles, or the animal drinks in a vessel, and it will treat also the lumpy skin disease. I've seen the bird. Let me try to arrest it. Shit! Then miss. So that was that. So this is what I'm telling you guys. Now, under my community-based organization, CBO, called Agriculture Aid Cornerstone, I'm trying with my own pocket to use the internet as a media. Sometimes I go pay certain radio station, some radio station volunteer for me to speak. So that people know that we need to conserve this and other plants. And also our culture, while also promoting modern agriculture. Modern agriculture doesn't mean that we only destroy using chemical and whatsoever. We have other methods like organic agriculture, which can help conserve the environment while also increasing the productivity of the farm. So let me continue to rest. No, you're feeling it. See? So you may wonder, why does this plant survive in dry conditions? It is because of the physiological setup. You know that plants which have thorns can survive in desert or in semi-arid condition, so you don't need to water it. Look at this thorn. You bring the camera close. This is what makes it survive. It's alright. Yeah. Sorry. Wait. Blessed are those who know this. I will keep some for the camera person. Don't worry. Yeah, hold on. So guys.